So Mark Turner, I work at Built-in, which is an employer branding platform based in Chicago, and I am the VP of Revenue Operations there. I think it's the attention and detail we give to each of our customers and how we help them help themselves in terms of employer branding and retention and talent acquisition. My team is trying to find them the best accounts to go after to be really efficient with their time. So Apollo today, we mostly use for enrichment. We have a large number of accounts in our Salesforce instance. We are very, very focused on the accounts that we enrich because we use it for other internal purposes once people are customers. Apollo touches every object that we have, contacts, leads, accounts, and Apollo is in there enriching on a daily basis. Building the score out was actually it was simple. I don't think we didn't spend a ton of effort on it. We looked at industry, we looked at revenue, and I believe headcount growth. The reps are kind of like, these are all kind of 900 above. I don't really know what it means. I was like, just go after the top one. Just work your way down. What we have seen is a higher Apollo score corresponding to a higher win rate and a higher ACV. Double-digit percentages. We know that these industries we can support really well, these companies that are growing in this revenue size. It helps to think about the process and what points you want to measure along the process. We want our customers to be in the best position for when they are able to hire to go get the best talent that's out there.